Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm going to be using three colors that go so beautifully together. This is a combo that a good friend of mine picked out, and I, and one other are doing kind of a mini triplet trio kind of thing. So we're all doing the same design, and it is a design that was kind of created and picked out by my friend Fantasia Rosa. Tasia nailed it on Instagram, and then our friend Jen Does Nails TX is going to be doing this as well, the amazing Jennifer Sawyers. So make sure you go to their Instagram and follow them so you can see their versions of this design. But I'm excited for it. I think the colors are so perfect together. The first one this is Colors of the Rainbow by Dipp'd. It's a more recent release, but it's really beautiful, like a teal and purple glitter with, like, I don't know, silvers, all kinds of colors in there. I'm not sure. I didn't even swatch this one yet, so putting it on my nail is going to be my first time I've seen this color put on. Then Totally Teal is a color that has not been released by Dipp'd yet. We're trying to get her to release it. I think she said she will in August if enough people want it, but it's an absolutely gorgeous shimmer. You can't really see the shimmer in it just looking at the powder, but I did use this on a couple nieces at the lake house in Alabama because they saw this and had to wear it, and it's so gorgeous on. And then Royalty in Disguise, which is an older color of hers and is actually, I think, not available on the site anymore, but it was around for a long time. And it's just a perfect kind of like really bright neon-y purple color. So we're going to go ahead and jump into starting this design. It's going to be a color block design, so I'm going to be using my favorite color blocking tape, which I will link in the description if you want to see or if you would like to get this. But I love it because it's a nice thin strip of tape, and it's really easy to just cover a small part of the nail to get a design that you want. But I'm going to go ahead and put down the main nails, the solid nails, as I usually do, and then I'll leave the design nail, which will be this one, for last. Okay, so those nails are done. I actually went ahead and activated them so they could start hardening. I did 4 dips on each of these, and then I did 2 dips of the glitter with 2 dips of clear on this one using my Dipp'd in Chaos tray here. So now I'm going to get into blocking out this nail. Before I do that, I'm going to do a single layer of dip base coat on this nail because I do have peel base down and I don't want my tape to peel that up. So we're going to go ahead and do a layer of this and let that dry before I get started. Okay, now that is dry and ready to go. While the tape that I use is a thinner strip of tape, I wanted it to be a little bit thinner so that I could just block this whole thing out with 2 pieces, because we're going to do the area at the top and the area at the bottom are going to be the purple, and then just down the center is going to be the glitter. And I just kind of want to tape out so that I can dip out all the purple, then pull the tape up and just fill in with the glitter. And with the shape I'm wanting to do, a thinner piece of tape is going to be better. So it's going to be kind of a beam. It starts thin here and then widens out. So this right here is going to be the thinnest part. So the parts on this side of the tape are going to be in the purple, and then the parts on the inside of the tape will be in the glitter. So now I have that taped out, I can just put the base down where I want my solid purple to go, and I'm just going to pour that over, and I'll do probably 3 coats of that. Okay, I really only had to place a few pieces. I just wanted to get a little bit more purple in there, so I placed a few purples, and I think it looks good. I also kind of cleaned up, made sure that it didn't overlap anywhere onto the purple dip. I did use like nippers in some places to kind of cut any overlap off and clean it up, and hopefully that's good enough. But I'm going to go ahead and do a couple dips of clear over that, and then I will activate this one and file everything. Alright, she's all filed up, so let's get that top coat on and check out this glitter in action. I'm going to be using my Double Dipped Ultra Shine top coat. Remember, I do have a code for Double Dipped if you want 20% off of your order. It's Melissa's Manis 15. Okay, and there's the finished look. I love them. I love a purple and teal moment. I apologize, I'm losing my voice a little bit, but I'm still here. But yes, I love a purple and teal, and this glitter just pulls them together so perfectly. But let me know what you think below. Don't forget to go check out Tasia Nailed It, and Jen does Nails TX, so you can see their beautiful nails with these colors and this design also. And make sure you let Double Dip know if you need this gorgeous teal color, because she is stunning. But yes, as always, I appreciate you joining me, and I will see you next time.